Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am here to discuss about last 2 month preparation strategy for Neet 2020 students. I will tell you about the main things to focus on. So let us start.
So, let's start with physics. Try to make a routine. Divide the topics across first 45 to 50 days. And remember, do not spend more than 3 days on a single chapter. Try to complete whole syllabus at least 15 days prior to the exam so that you can revise the concepts in the remaining 15 days. Now, take some tough decisions like avoid study of new topics in the end moment or any low priority topics that are taking a lot of time. Then prioritize your topic, remember the basic formulas and go through the previous year questions as much as you can. I will share the basic formula sheet in the description. Practice numerical problems. Try to solve more and more numericals from the NCERT so as your problem solving speed should be improved. These are some important units for NEET exam on which you have to focus more, like motion and system of particles, thermodynamics, oscillation, waves, electrostats, EMI, AC, and many more. And the full list of chapters with the average number of questions previously asked with their weightage in the exam I will share in the end of this video. Now, let us talk about chemistry. Since chemistry is considered as easiest of the subjects that takes lesser time to solve and can help to achieve good marks. So, try to master all the important topics in the chemistry. Since chemistry is divided into three parts, physical, inorganic and organic chemistry, divide the topics accordingly. Let's say 15 days for each part. So, in last 15 days, revise the concepts. Since physical chemistry portion is more about numericals, so try to remember all the basic formulas. I will share the formula sheet PDF in the description box. You can go and download the PDF. So try to practice more and more numerical problems from the NCERT, as it will help you to have a strong grip on the concepts and also help you to increase your speed in solving the problems. And some important chapters from physical chemistry are mole concept, atomic structure, thermodynamics, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, equilibrium, etc. Now, the second part is inorganic chemistry. Since inorganic chemistry is considered as the easiest one, so I will tell you how you can score well in this section and what type of question being asked in this section. So let's start. I suggest you to please read these chapters from the NCERT. It will help you to build great concepts. And for reactions, since most of the student thinks this part is boring, so I suggest you to practice them by writing more and more so that the reaction part becomes a bit interesting. Here is the list of some important chapters from this part and a full list of chapters with their weightage and number of questions expected to ask I will share in the end of this video. Here I am sharing a model question so that you all can get to know what type of question are being asked in the exam. So the question is that metal hydrides are ionic, covalent or molecular in nature, and among the group 1 hydrides the correct order of increasing ionic character is. You can pause the video and think of it. Okay, so let me explain. As you all should have heard of a rule called as Fajan's rule, and according to that, ionic character in an ionic compound decreases with increase in the charge density of the cation. And here down the group, as the charge density of cation decreases, the ionic character in their bond increases. So the answer is option D. You will find more of these questions from the NCERT. Suggest you to please solve these type of questions from the NCERT in the inorganic part, as these type of questions are directly asked in the exams. Now, the final part is organic chemistry. Since organic chemistry portion is a bit tricky, so one should have a great clarity of concept. as the organic chemistry involves more questions over nomenclature and reactions, and sometimes the named reactions are directly asked in the exam. So I would suggest you to practice these topics by writing them several times. Some important name reactions are Sandmeyer reactions, Cannizzaro reaction, Rudz-Fittig, etc. And the important chapters from organic chemistry are GOC, hydrocarbons, polymers, and biomolecules. Last but not the least, now let's talk about biology, the subject that holds half of the weightage of the exam. I suggest you to divide the topics across first 50 days, let's say 25 days each for botany and zoology. As per my experience, most of the time the questions in the exam are directly asked from NCRTs. So I suggest you try to read the NCRT as many times as you can. So in the remaining 10 days, you can revise the important topics and diagrams. Some of the important units are, and some important chapters from the botany portion are plant physiology, cell structure and function, ecology and environment, etc. And from the zoology are reproduction, human physiology, animal kingdom, etc. And now I am sharing the full list of chapters from each subject with their chapter wise weightage and number of questions expected to be asked in the exam. Thank you for watching this video, and if you guys have any queries and found any mistakes in the video, please share it in the comment box. In my next video, I will be sharing how to attempt and manage time during the exam. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.